Video 853, BFJ 153, Bombs for Josh 153, let's get going. So inside of Mouse Master, this function name is now a monkey wrench macro with an explanation that you can get to with this tag right here. This has been refactored from just Mouse Master click drag to Mouse Master click drag for editor mode, and we see the refactor tag right here in the margins. This is Mouse Master click drag any. It is a new function that is going to route to Mouse Master click for editor or Mouse Master click for game mode, depending on which mode we're in. It takes these things right here. You can pause to read these. Scrolling down, we have constants for editor mode and game mode here, and then we have shorthand references to the inputs of the function here. And if we are inside of editor mode, we're going to call Mouse Master click drag editor with the correct parameters. If we are in game mode, we're going to call Mouse Master click drag game with the same parameters. And otherwise, we're going to throw an error because we should only be in editor mode or game mode. There are only two fucking modes. In Mouse Master move, if we scroll down here, we have refactored this from Mouse Master click drag to Mouse Master click drag any, and you can see the refactor marker right here. In Mouse Master click, we have added actually no, we just refactored this. So instead of being just click drag, it's click drag editor. We're further specifying what's going on, and you can see our refactor marker here. And then in game mode, I don't know why this is highlighted because nothing has fucking changed, so let's move on. Here's what we did previously, and then our footnotes and stuff. So if you want a longer explanation of this code, go to Ninja Playlist 9. You're on Kanji Playlist 9. Technical demos are here. Source code is here. Ways of getting a hold of me. My name is Kanji Coder. I plan on making a side-scroller Bomberman game and selling at least 1 million copies on Steam. If you want to see where this project is going, or if you want to see how to make a game engine from complete fucking scratch, you need to like, subscribe, and follow. My name is Kanji Coder, and I am making a fucking awesome game. You need to fucking like, subscribe, and follow. Well, I guess if you don't like Bomberman, then you don't think it's fucking awesome. But this is like side-scroller Bomberman on motherfucking steroids, okay? We got proximity mines that explode vertically, horizontally in 4 ways. We got laser boxes, we got spark pins, we got a whole bunch of fucking awesome mechanics. It's like Tetris. It's like Tetris, but you're gonna fucking die. Like and subscribe.